Mayayanig pa ba sila ng any intriga?
He will find someone this year.
Mayayanig pa ba sila ng any intriga? Naku, katniyak pa naman ako. Wag naman sana. May hate ko talaga pagka ano. Hate talaga.
They are both sharing their luck. Kaya talagang...
So they're meant for each other.
Oo.
Yung energy ng isa at yung energy ng isa na ko-complement.
Ang magiging problem lang dyan yung lalaki.
Si Daniel, bakit?
He will find someone this year. It's
Ayoko,
just more of
Joey.
it's more of not tempted.
Baka man lang, crush-crush lang. Crush-crush lang.
Find someone na parang type ko yun. Tapos and then there will be an issue nga siguro.
breakup?
Medyo nag-connect dito sa isang taong ito.
Pero hindi sila maghihiwalay.
Ang karir nila talagang kailangan nila sila at sila pa rin. Kasi ang lakas nila kaya. Kaya sabi ko they're sharing both luck. In fact, meron pa nga silang gagawin pang dalawang movie na nakikita ko rito. And then, the location is from hindi ko malaman kung abroad or parang out of town lang. Doon magkakaroon ng isa pang project. Tapos, yung babae.
Catherine?
Sige, oo. May magandang gagawing role na magiging papel niya for this year na kagaganda na magkakaroon ng mature.
Catherine Bernardo and